word that's becoming more popular now in the last 2-3 months. Obviously, it's been around for longer, but a lot of people, it's their first time hearing this really, and they don't really understand it fully. So you have the model. What is the harness, right? It's everything around it.
So believe it or not, the model itself can't do anything. The model is just a predictor of next text. Technically, the model doesn't even think. Whatever English you give it, it converts it to tokens. Those tokens are mapped on a graph. And then what it does is it looks at that graph and it predicts the next token. Some cool mathematics happens there, and then it returns a token to you, which is converted to English. So the model doesn't think, the model doesn't do, the model just predicts the next text. What a harness does, you can think of a harness as a wrapper of a model. And this wrapper is APIs, tools, a specific system prompt, markdown files like agentmd files. These are all things that wrap the model that guide it to perform or specialize in a specific action. Now, the main important thing with the cursors and the Claude Code and the codex is the tools it gives it. Whenever you use cursor or any sort of agent, you notice in the trace and the response it gives you, it says, oh, it read this file, it searched this thing, right? Those are tool calls that it's making. Again, the agent doesn't have the ability to do so, but the harness gives it the tool so that the agent can do this. The models have got to a point where an investment in a really good harness will maximize the output you get from the model. And we know this because people's experience with Claude Code and Cursor is not the same.